Hi guys, my name is Elisa and I'm a meteorologist on staff at Discovery Place Science, and in this Weather Wonders we're going to talk about hail. Hail, that huge chunk of ice that falls out of the sky in storms in spring and summer. How do we get ice in thunderstorms in spring and summer? It's actually a pretty cool way that it forms. We're going to take you straight into the thunderstorm to show you how. So in the thunderstorm in spring and summertime, we have these winds that go up and down in the thunderstorm, okay? We call them updrafts and downdrafts. And the updrafts are pretty intense, and that's what lets the thunderstorm grow very tall. That's how those clouds grow very tall. Now, the clouds are so tall that they get to levels that are below freezing, way upstairs in the atmosphere. So any of the water droplets are now frozen. They're frozen water droplets. And as these updraft winds continue to keep these water droplets suspended in the cloud, they continue to freeze, cool, and collide with each other. So they continue to grow, right? The more that we keep these droplets kind of suspended, floating on this wind that goes up, the larger that these frozen water droplets can grow. But now eventually, this can only happen so long, right? Eventually, the ice droplet is going to grow and grow and grow until it gets too large for gravity, right? It's gonna have to drop eventually. So eventually, the updraft wind is not strong enough to keep it in the cloud anymore. The weight of the hail will be stronger than the wind, and it drops out of the clouds. So that's how we get that hail to form. So the stronger this updraft wind, the longer you can keep that hailstone suspended in the cloud, and the larger the hailstone will be. You can get hailstones up to the size of grapefruits, really large, 4.5 inches in diameter. You can get them as big as baseballs and softballs. These are exceptionally rare. We issue severe thunderstorm warnings for hail that is larger than quarter size. So that's when we want you to get inside in an interior room and stay away from windows, because these hailstorms can crash through windows and can injure people and pets. That's why, again, we want you to stay inside. So something maybe you didn't know about your summertime thunderstorms that now you do.